Hello children, welcome to the online classes. This is 5th standard English. Poem Children, Children, Don't Forget, page number 19. Already you have studied this poem in the previous period. This poem about children, you don't forget. There is a elves, hawthorn. A thorny shrub with white pink flowers and small dark red berries, and moonlight is there. It shall be dance. It shall be dance. Already you have seen that. Fairy girl is there. Fairy wearing a shoe. Okay. She will pay some money. This is the poet. Children, children, don't forget. Already you have studied. This is the secret of the poet. Okay. Next grammar point today we want to learn. Okay. Shall we start, children? Okay. Here they have given some questions. We will send you answers afterwards. The third one question I will read for you. Write at least 2 rhyming words for the following words from the poem. See here, children. Elves. You know na rhyming words? Ending with same letters. The pronouns will be same. Starting letters only you have to change. See here. Elves. Shelves. L-V-E-S. Elves. Shelves. S-H-E-L-V-E-S. Ourselves. These are the 2 rhyming words. In that poem they have given here. Okay, children. Forget. Forget. At. Forget. At. Gross. Toes. Green. Seen. You. Shoe. Pay. Day. See here. Seat, discreet, way, pay. These are all the rhyming words in the poem. See here. Here they have given some words. Now we want to make two words in every word. See here. Took. Otherwise you write here took. Look, they have given right here book. B-O-O-K book. N-O-O-K nook. T-O-O-K took. Third one, wait. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. B-A-I-T. Bait. Okay, these are 2 words. Fear. D-E-A-R. Deer. R-E-A-R. Rear. S-E-A-T. Seat. B-E-A-T. Beat. F-E-E-T. Feet. See here, this like. Here they have given 2 stanza. Every stanza has 2 questions. Every stanza has 2 questions. I will send you these answers afterwards. You have to write in your given school notebook. Write it in properly without make mistakes, children. See here, page number 21. Rhyme scheme. Here, rhyme scheme, poem appreciation. Rhyme scheme they have given here. Read aloud the first verse of the poem. Children, children, don't forget. The rhyme scheme used in these lines of the poem is A, A, B, B, C, C. See here. Children, children, don't forget. Forget, it is in green color. The second line, there are elves and fairies at. At. The pronouns is same. See here. The last word, it is there. Here will be it is there. How should we say this one? Forget at. So these are all same in pronouns. So A. Third line, where the naughty hawthorn grows. Grows. In green word is there, green color word. Underline that. Look for prints of fairy toes. Grows toes, toes. Okay, pronouns same. So these are all B. These are the rhyme words. See here, fifth one line. Where the grassy rings are green, moonlight dances shall be seen. See here, green and seen. These are the rhyme words. So these are a C. The rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhymes at the ends of the lines of a poem or verse. Okay. Here they have given question. Identify the rhyme scheme for the following lines of poems. I will read for you. You have to underline which word I will tell. Okay. Fairy Bread by Robert Louis Stevenson. Come up here, O dusty feet. Come up here, O dusty feet. Here is a fairy bread to eat. F-E-E-T, feet, E-A-T, eat. Underline these two words. Feet, eat. Rhyme scheme. So you have to write here A in the bracket. Third line. Here in my retiring room, children you may dine. These are not rhyme scheme. You don't write here anything in the bracket. Fifth line I will read for you. On the golden smell of broom. See here. Again in the third line is room. Fifth line is broom. Here you have to write B. Room is a rhyme. Broom is a rhyme. Room line you have to write in bracket B. Broom line in the bracket you have to write B, because these are rhyme words, rhyming words. See here, fourth line, dine is there, and the shade of pine. The sixth line is pine is there. Dine and pine, these are the two words, rhyming words. In the bracket you have to write C. Seventh line, and when you have eaten well, fairy stories hear and tell. Well and tell. These are two rhyming words. You have to write here D. Okay children, turn the page. Turn the page. Next one. Expert from the Lobster Quadrille, Alice's Adventure in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Okay. Will you walk a little faster? Said a whiting to a snail. See here, snail is there here. You have to underline that word. There is purpose close behind us, and he is treading on my tail. Snail, here is the tail, here is, you have to write in the given bracket A. Okay. See how eagerly the lobsters and the turtles all advance. They are waiting on the shingle. Will you come and join the dance? Advance and dance. You write these words in the bracket B. Underline these two words and write in the bracket B. See here children. Will you, won't you, will you join the dance? Will you, won't you, won't you join the dance? Dance. Again you have to write B in the bracket, because third and fourth, fifth and sixth line, these are all same rhyming words. You have to write so in the bracket B. See here children, seventh line, you can really have no notion how delightful it will be when they take us up and throw us with the lobster out to sea. B and C. These are two rhyming words. You have to write here C. Okay children. But the snail replied, too far, and gave a look as guns. See here. But the snail replied, too far, and gave a look askance. Said he thanked the waiting kindly, but he would not join the dance. See here, observe these words which I have underlined. Would not, could not, would not, could not, would not join the dance. Would not, could not, would not, could not join the dance. See here, children. Here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 10th. See here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth onwards, line. See here. But from this line, the last one word, askance, dance, dance, dance. So you have to write in the bracket, you have to write here B, 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 B. Okay? These are the rhyme scheme. I hope you are all understood. The third one, second one make some rhymes of your own. Write the last line to complete the following rhymes. Ensure that the last line rhymes with the second line. Okay? I will read for you this one. For example, they have given, while going through my things, I found a colorful ball. Now I think I would never get bored at all. You have to do this like, you have to write your own one sentence. Okay? See here, Paul is first one I will read for you. A. Paul is a smart boy. Paul is a smart boy. He works as hard as he can. He says, when he grown ups. What should we have to write here? We should write here, he will be a wealthy man. He will be a wealthy man right here in the given place. Okay, children? See here, the second one, B. Billy has an elder sister. She is as pretty as can be, and when she comes to visit this year, what should you write here? You should write here, she will surely come to meet me. She will surely come to meet me. Right here. The third one, see. Last night in my dream, I reached the candy land. It had all colorful candies of, what should you write here? Of every possible brand. Right here. Of every possible brand. The last one, children, D. Lizzie has a little doll. She takes everywhere she goes. It has a red skirt and blue shoes. What should you write in the last one? And a red shiny nose. And a red shiny nose. This like you have to write some more words, some more rhyming words in this chapter. Otherwise, they have given chapters. From that chapters, you have to find this like words. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.